There is no way that we can escalate this to the point where we're shooting down Russian jets. That is just going to create a disaster. Whatever brinksmanship that Alan thinks may be appropriate in these circumstances.
Do you think it's too high risk?
I absolutely do. There are other things that we can do, and I think that we have to be far more aggressive in the way that we detach ourselves from the purchasing of Russian hydrocarbons. I think we also need to look at the question of if there are other forms of military aid that we can provide to Ukraine. But I don't think shooting down jets in this context will result in anything but a major escalation and possibly the entire thing going out of control.
But is there any evidence to date that the West strategy is actually working in Russia? That Putin is having a change of mind?
Let's be clear. Putin's
any evidence of that?
Putin's plan is not working. Putin's plan was to subjugate Ukraine within a couple of days, a very quick war. That hasn't happened.
Yes, his plan isn't working, but is there any evidence that the West's response to that plan is making Putin change his mind or rethink what he's doing in Ukraine?
I think it has. I think the European Union has been principled and dynamic in the way that it has responded to this. It's done it very quickly. The European Union is constantly accused of being slow and bureaucratic, but it has acted with extraordinary swiftness in terms of sanctions, in terms of the European Peace Facility and support, both military and non-military for the Ukrainians, including 1.2 billion in direct finance for the Ukrainian government.